your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, Larry here. A little bit of update news on what's going on Larry's Pen Reviews. Let's go with the Zoom Pen Hangout for this month. A reminder for you folks out there, remember on November the 15th at 5 p. at Central Time for us, isn't that right, Mr. Announcer?
Yes.
On my Zoom channel, I'm going to have no other than the Andersons. That's Brian and Lisa Andersons will be on. So you guys want to get ready, and y'all want to jump on this and get with them and chat with Brian and Lisa and tell them hello, because they haven't been able to make the pen shows, but they'll be here, and I'm excited about that. That's going to be dynamite. Then we're going to follow up on Friday the 20th. Tom O'Doe from Ink Journal. He will be my guest, also / Ghostpot Pens, but he will be my guest, and he will be on at 7 p. Eastern Time. Our time is going to be 6 p. Central Time. And on November the 27th, we got a lot going on that day. We got two things happening, and I'll give you more updates in a few days. Frank from Federalist Pens will be doing a WebEx with him. He'll be out at the mall doing what he does, his pen thing out there. He'll be selling pens, and I'll fill you in more about that in a few days. I'll be telling you, where he's at and what's going to be doing, and so we'll be with Frank then. I'll give you the times, and I'll give you the whole information, so you'll be ready for that. Also, that evening on Friday, the 27th, we will be having the Fort Worth Pen Club meeting. Yep, we're finally going to get back, and we want to let you guys know that if you're not in a pen club already, or if you're in other pen clubs, you're always welcome to come and join us and just have some fun and do what we do. We share pens, we talk about pens, inks, paper, whatever has to do with pens, So that's what's happening right now. But like I said, I will be giving you more updates probably tomorrow on Frank from Federalist Pens, because that's going to be an awesome gig we're doing with Frank. Okay? All right, my friends. And before I go, I don't know if you heard or not, but Anderson Pens, here's a plug for you, Brian and Lisa. They got the micro gloss for your pens. Stuff is really good stuff. I mean, it rejuvenates your fountain pens. I've already used it. I have to show you one of my pens I've used it on. Good stuff. So, God bless each and every one of you. Stay safe. Wash them hands. A lot of peace, a lot of love, and a lot of hugs. So, I'm done, right? I guess. And, as always, don't do this on your phone while you're driving. Don't text and drive. Bye-bye. Later.